Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your story you posted in our story in Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat. In this screen on the top left corner you can see the circle button. Tap there and you will be directed to your profile. Now you can see our story. Tap on it. Now long press on the screen and you will see this pop-up. You can delete it from here. Otherwise you can just swipe up and you can see this delete button. You can delete from here. So either way, just tap on delete and tap on delete again and your snap will be deleted from our story. So that's all guys. Likewise you can delete your story from our story. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.